Welcome back to STEMLens. So in the last video, we actually did talk about the old system of classification where we discussed the kingdom Animalia and the kingdom Plantae to be the two major kingdoms in that classification. So in today's video, we shall be talking about primates. Now, primates are an order. Primate belongs to the order hierarchy. Now we have kingdoms to be Plantae and Animalia. That's still on the old system of classification. Then under Animalia, we have a phylum Vertebrata, that is Chordata, because they have spinal cord or because they have backbones. Then we also have, under that we have Mammalia to be the class. We have other classes. We have apes, we have pixies, we have reptiles, we also have amphibians. Alright, so now primate is an order belonging to the class Mammalia. We have some other orders. We have carnivora, that's those that eat other animals. We also have rodential, such as rats. We also have cetacea, such as whales. We also have chiroptera, that's for orders under class Mammalia. So today we shall be focusing on primate because we are primate, and primate are considered to be the most advanced. Alright, so now it says primates are the most developed of all mammals with large brain, forward-facing eyes with binocular vision, grasping fingers and toes equipped with flat nails. Now you can see that it is being advanced. For example, toes equipped with flat nails. Usually other animals would have claws. Alright, now grasping fingers, due to the position of our thumbs can actually touch the other fingers, so it forms opposable digits. That's due to the pentadactyl structure, our fingers and legs. So with that we can grasp objects, grasp branches, such as those monkeys and all that. We have large brain, large cerebrum and cerebellum, helps us to think better. Forward facing eyes, yes, and binocular vision. There's also one, we have self-awareness. Most have self-awareness. That's they can look into the mirror and know that, oh, that is me. Alright, now let us look at the characteristic features of primate. Number one, we have well-developed arms and hand. The arms and hand are well developed, ending in flat nail rather than claws. Alright, number two, we have grasping or prehensive fingers and toes. Their grasping fingers and toes have 5 digits, that is pentadactyl, which enable them to hang from tree branches, 6 foot, and use tools in some of the primates. The first digit, that is thumb, in many primates is opposable. That is, the thumb is capable of touching and resting on other 4 fingers for grasping. Now, yesterday I've been laying emphasis on the need to understand prefixes, suffixes, and root words when dealing with scientific terms. For example, when you see penta, you're talking about 5. We have pentagon. Are you with me? So that's that. Now, primates, I explained it earlier. Their thumbs can, touch the other 4 fingers. So it makes it opposable, and that gives them the ability to grasp objects and hang from trees and all that. Number 3, forward facing eyes and binocular vision, 2 field of vision. This 2 field of vision helps us to see 3-dimensional objects. Alright, it says eyes are placed in front of their heads. The position of the eyes produces overlapping binocular vision, which enables the brain to judge the distance between trees accurately before jumping. Binocular vision enables primates to see objects in 3-dimensional form. Exactly. However, some other mammals have binocular vision, but only primates have both grasping hand and binocular vision, making them well adapted to their living environment. Examples of primates are monkeys, chimpanzee, gorilla, baboon, and human being. Alright, so those are the main examples of that we see, we hear daily. Right, so we have binocular vision. We have 2 eyes. We can determine accurately the distance. We can determine accurately our position. Alright, number 5 says highly developed brain, especially the cerebral cortex, resulting in the development of intelligence, with human beings being the most intelligent. All right. So primates generally they have highly developed brains. They have most primates give birth to one offspring or twins. Now we even have triplets, we have quadruplets, we have all that. We have all that. Most primates. You can see that mostly in primates. I'm not saying that other animals can't give birth to twins. Right? Most of them lay eggs, not that they give birth directly to twins, right? For example, even the rodentia can give birth to, you understand. But I mentioned earlier that only primates have both grasping hands and binocular vision. Alright, number 7, we have one most striking feature of primates is the long period of parental care of their offspring. In lemurs, lemon lord, the period of parental care is 2.5 years. In monkeys, it is 3.5 to 4 years. In apes, it is 3 to 5 years, while in man, it is 12 to 18 years or more. Alright, so the parental care there is what? Exclusive. Alright, they have long period of parental care. They feed the young ones, take care of the young ones before weaning them. So in the next video, we shall be talking about new system of classification. That's all about primates. If time permits, although not in the textbook, we may discuss some other orders under the class, or let's just say under the phylum vertebrata. Under the phylum vertebrata, we'll discuss some other. For example, we have apes has its own. We have apes. We have what is that? We have reptilia. We have amphibians. We have pigs. They all have their own orders, but we are primates, so let us discuss so that we can understand better, even in case whereby we are being asked to write down according to hierarchy the classification of man. Right, so we know kingdom is Animalia, we know that the phylum is Chordata or Vertebrata, we know that the class is Mammalia, we know that the order is what? Primates. So we'll talk about the family, we'll talk about the genus, we'll talk about the species till we get it. Thank you so much for joining today's video. See you next time.